How do I restore a sensor's factory calibration in Sparkvue 5? If you're using a wireless sensor and you suspect that a previous user has miscalibrated it, and you don't have the tools or time to recalibrate the sensor yourself for the most accurate measurements, you can try resetting the sensor to its factory calibration. In this example, I'll reset the calibration for this wireless pH sensor. It's currently in juice, which I suspect to be acidic, but not as acidic as the current readings indicate. Let's say I don't have access to pH buffer solutions to calibrate the sensor myself. I can try resetting the sensor to its factory calibration in Sparkvue. You need to be in an experiment file as I am here with the pH sensor connected. In this case, you can access the pH calibration multiple ways. You can click on the measurement in a display and choose Calibrate. You can go up to the top bar, and as long as you have stopped sampling, you can choose the device configuration button and select this target icon. And finally, my favorite way is you can go down to the live data bar, and if it's displaying the measurement that you'd like to reset to its factory calibration, you can click on that measurement and choose Calibrate Measurement. We want to switch the calibration type from the actual process of calibrating, in this case for the pH2 standards. So I'll click the calibration type drop-down, and I'm going to select the option to restore factory calibration. I'll choose Next and Restore, and it will reset the sensor to its factory defaults of calibration. So now when I press Start, I get what I think is a more reasonable value for the pH of this solution.